Alright, hey everybody. So today's assignment is going to be a Word GCF Learn assignment in Microsoft Office. So you're going to open up the Word GCF Learn link down here, and then you're going to go ahead and start reading through the directions as follows. Please open the GCF Learn web link, read through the material on the web page, watch the video on the website, and then download the practice document and save it as list. This is very important that you read through the material on the web page and that you watch the video on the website before watching this video, because it helps a little bit with how to solve some of these tasks. So what you're going to do first, open up the link, Word List 2013, and go ahead and start reading through here. I suggest you watch the video first. It's a 3-minute video, and then you just go ahead and start reading through the agenda of what this topic is about. You have 4 pages to read through. It talks about how to construct a list, how to promote and demote, how to change pictures of these icons right here. Pretty cool stuff regarding lists. So that's what you're going to talk about and learn about in this tutorial. So again, you have your instructions here. Once you've read through all of it, go ahead and download the document, which is found on the first page. Lesson 13 practice document. I already have it downloaded and I saved it as list, as you can see right here. So go ahead and open the document, make sure you save it as list, and this is what you're going to get. Again, I suggest you make sure you can see your ruler. If not, what you got to do, again, go to your View tab, click on Ruler, and it'll pop up right there for you. After that, go back to Edmodo and start reading the instructions. Add fundraising, charity report, and other business to the bottom of the list. So this is kind of the easiest step. What you're going to do, go ahead and open up your list, go to the bottom, it says Add fundraising. Hit enter, charity report, enter, let's see what the last one was, other business. And there you go, that's added to the bottom of the list. Second step, define a new bullet for call to order and use a smiley face symbol. Alright, let's see here. Back to your Word document. So here's my call to order. You're going to highlight that, go back to your home screen, and right up here you have your bullets. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to Define New Bullet. You're going to go to Symbol. Now you want to be in this Wingdings font. There's different types of them, but Wingdings, has the ones that we really want to use for the symbols. So click on that and go ahead and find the smiley face. It should be in here somewhere. There you go. Click OK. As you can see, it changed it right there. And then click OK. Now, since this was highlighted, it's only going to affect the highlighted words. Highlighted indent right here. Bullet, I'm sorry. So just make sure that you highlight it in order to change one of them, not all of them. So the next step. Create a multi-level list for the new member introduction and define a new bullet using a picture for the bullet. Say multi-level list. What that essentially means is you want a list within a list. So here's your new member introduction. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to hit enter and then hit tab so it only changes that one. And you have to go up here and then hit backspace so it's deleted. And then you have a multi-level list. So you have the first topic, you have the indent in there, and then you have the next one. Now if you don't do that, say I go back, and I just simply hit tab, it's going to move them all over, as you just saw right there. So again, if I just hit tab, it moves them all over, and that's not a multi-level list. I need this bullet right here to change. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to hit enter, drop a line, then I can hit tab. So now you have to do a little bit of work. Go back, hit backspace, backspace, and then it jumps back up to the top. There's your multi-level list. And define a new bullet using a picture for the bullet. So again, like you did the first step, you're going to have to go here, highlight the words that you want to have a new bullet added to, go back up here to your bullets, click on Define New Bullet. You're going to go to Picture this time, and in here you can search in the Office clip art. I'm going to do shark. All these different pictures of sharks pop up. Go ahead and click on one of them. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. Click Insert, And as you can see right here, now the bullets look like sharks. So I'm going to click OK, and that one has a little shark right there. So you're going to have to add a picture. It can pretty much be whatever you want, as long as it's appropriate, but that's what you're going to do for adding a picture to that bullet. Going back up here, select the 3 bullets under Community Service and adjust the line spacing to double or 2.0. So double or 2.0 is the same thing. So go back, select the 3 bullets under Community Service. Where's Community Service at? Right here. Highlight those. I'm going to adjust the line spacing, which is line and paragraph spacing. Click on that. Hover down to 2.0, and you are all set right there. Next up, demote the bullets under Announcements of Chair's Retirement once. So now demoting and premoting for steps 5 and 6. A demote means you're moving down a step. A promote, if you get like a promotion in a job, means you're moving up into the company or have a higher paying job. It's a promotion. But demote means you move a level down. So with Word, it kind of uses the same vocabulary. Let me go back to demote the bullets under Announcements of Chair's Retirement once. Let's see here. Announcements of Chair's Retirement. So once both these bullets demoted. So what you have to do is click in here and hit Tab, and it demotes it right there. It went down a step. Click it again, go to this one, Tab, demoted. Now it says promote the heading that says Announcements of Chair's Retirement once. So promote the heading that says the heading. So go back here. Here's my heading. Now to promote, to move it to the left, instead of going to the right, you have to hold the Shift key down and hit Tab. As you can see right there, move to the left, it just got promoted. So if I hit Tab, it demotes it. If I hold Shift and Tab, then that premotes it for you. Next, select the all text under Board of Directors and increase the paragraph spacing to exactly 12 points. Alright, select all text under Board of Directors and increase the paragraph spacing to exactly 12 points. Let's go back here. Where is my Board of Directors? Right here. Select all the text, and I'm going to increase the paragraph spacing to exactly 12 points. So go here. Here's my spacing right here. Go to exactly 12 points. Click OK, and you are good. Next step, adjust the paragraph spacing of this section to after using 24 points. So again, I'm going to go back to this, highlight it, again go to my line and paragraph spacing, oh excuse me, wrong one. Click on my paragraph chisel, after, I'm going to highlight that and put 24. Click OK, so you're all set there. Next step, change the font style of 2013-2014 Board of Directors to Intense Quote. So this is the font style. I've been working with these a lot now. You should be able to do these no problem. You're going to highlight this. Your font styles are in here. You got to make sure you find the Intense Quote one and then go from there. Change the font of the heading Board of Directors Meeting to Comic Sans. So this one, I'm going to go back to your list. Board of Directors Meeting right here. You're going to change that font to Comic Sans. So just make sure you go in here and find it in there, and then you should be set with that. Next step, put a half reflection 8-point offset text effect to the heading Agenda. So put a half reflection 8-point offset text effect to the heading Agenda. So let's go back into our document, find Agenda, highlight it, if it lets me, and then you're going to go to your text effects, and it wants a, just to make sure, reflection. Find reflection, and then you're going to have to find the specific one it's asking for, and apply that. Again, it's asking you for half reflection, 8-point offset text effect. So just make sure you see that. Since it says reflection, that's what you're going to be using. Number 11, put an off-axis one right 3D rotation picture effect to the picture and the company name, Tall Trees International. Go back to this document. Here's the picture right here. You're going to click on that. Remember, when you click on a picture, On the top right, it brings up your formatting options. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Picture effects. Here are your 3D rotation, just like you did for startup last week. And you're going to have to find the specific 3D rotation with the name of off-axis 1 right and apply that. So you want off-axis 1 right. And that's your job to go ahead and find that one. When all is said and done, you have your document here. I didn't do the last steps for you because, again, that's for you to do some digging and make sure you have the correct steps. But here is the document that we're currently working on. I'm going to go ahead and show you the completed document. So your document, when all is said and done, should look something like this. So you have a picture here. We kind of did that step. There's your Comic Sans. Your picture on the right has the reflection. The board of directors has changed a little bit to the specific font style. And then you have the correct team member names as a style as requested. You have the fundraising chairs report down there. So this is your completed one. Should look something like this. And this is the one that we're still working on over here, that you got to figure out those steps. I showed you the right places for them. However, you just got to make sure you apply the correct task. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, this is not your completed one. This is your completed one. So it should look something like this when all is said and done. Obviously, this picture right here can be up to you, but that should be the only difference with this document. All right, good luck. Hope this isn't too difficult for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions.